Today we are going to learn about how to make a strategy for a website. Initially, if it is a new website, initially you have to think about the nick of the website and accordingly you have to select one keyword which will represent your website nick, and you have to put down it in any of the tool keyword research tool. Let's say for example a SEMrush, and it will be showing the related keywords which will be just justified your website nick. Accordingly, you have to select some keywords for your website and its pages using keywords. Then you have to do on-page optimization for the whole website. That means writing meta tags, title tag, description tags, content optimization. You have to use the keywords and you have to write a good unique content. You have to optimize the images. You have to write the content which justifies the AI-based ask questions, means whatever user asks for you questions that should be, and that answer should be in your content. And you have to use some tags, header tags, h1, h2, h3, like that. H1 means the primary keyword, h2, h3, h4 must be secondary keywords, and overall you have to target the h1 tag or h1 keyword. After doing the content optimization, you have to select some title, means technical SEO section also, means the page should be faster in